Hello everyone, happy holidays. Today I'm making a pecan pie. So we're going to start off with first of all we're going to make the crust first. So we're going to start off with about 1.5 cups of flour, a half a stick of butter, and about a 1/4 cup of Crisco. And I'm going to combine that all together with I don't have a dough cutter, so you can just use a fork and just make sure you get the butter and the Crisco well incorporated into the flour. So when you get all of that in the bowl, I'm just going to mix that, just kind of try to get the butter and the Crisco dissolved into the flour. And once you've gotten that mixed really well, I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of really cold water to that, and then I'm just going to mix it together with my hands from here. Now I recommend using probably a larger bowl so you can have room to move the dough around. And once I've gotten the dough formed, I'm going to wrap it up in some saran wrap, and I'm going to chill it for at least about 30 minutes to an hour. While the dough is chilling, I'm going to go ahead and make the filling for the pie. So we're going to be using 1 cup of corn syrup and a cup of brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and of course the pecans. Oh, and 2 eggs as well. I forgot about the eggs. I'm just gonna stir it up. Make sure you stir it up. Get it well blended. So I'm going to go ahead and roll out the dough now. Just want to make sure that you flour your rolling pin so the dough won't stick to the pin. And I just sprinkle a little flour onto the countertop and just going to roll it out. I'm pretty good at making pie crust, but I'm not really that good at making it look pretty, so just form it into the pan the best way you can. And once that's all done, we're just going to add the filling into the pie crust and bake it on 350 for about 45 minutes. And you're all good to go. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.